Hey YouTube, thought I'd show you some more, well, what I have in my room right now anyways. Got my Kenmore canister vacuum, I guess. Powermate. Don't have the original hose, but that's the one I made for it right now, so it works. And in my closet, Phantom Thunder. And I got this little pink, looks red, but pink, Bissell green one. Then a Hoover, what is it called? Quick Broom 2. So, that's what I got in the closet. Right here I found in the trash down the street. It's actually a green color. But it's a Riccar. High efficiency. It's got the brush all shut off, which is supposed to be on the handle, but it's broken, so I put it there. Got most of its attachments, just missing that one dust brush right there. I got my Eureka the Boss. Eureka... let me see. I don't think it'll focus. 630. Doesn't got the original bag. The original bag's all tore up, so I got a new one for it. Upright. Care. I don't know. Over a decade. 2-speed. Works. My room's a mess. So I can get over here. Got my Kirby Classic 1CR. So, American flag, clock, hat. So, anyways, thought I'd give a small update what I have in my bedroom, and I guess in a little bit I'll go out my shed and videotape what I got out there. So, alright. Until next time, bye.